Hi friends, this is Sanvi Verma again back to you with a new book, and the book this time I am having in my hand is Breaking Dawn, a sequel to Twilight Saga series. This book is written by Stephanie Meyers and it's the internationally best-selling book. This book was first published by Atom Publication in the year 2008. This English book consists of 754 pages. And now friends, about the story. This story is a sequel to Twilight Saga, and in the first part of the Breaking Dawn, Bella and Edward get married and went to an island for their honeymoon. In 2 weeks of their honeymoon, Bella realized that she is pregnant with a half human and a half vampire child. They went to Dr. Carlesser, who confirmed the pregnancy. They both immediately returned to the home, but the fetus continues to develop on the abnormal speed. In the second part of the book, Jacob Black, a werewolf who also falls in love with Bella. Jacob thinks that Bella is actually a vampire now, but soon he came to know that this is all because of the pregnancy and requests Bella to abort the fetus and save her life. But Bella refused to abort. In the third section, Bella transformed into a vampire and she was enjoying her life and abilities. As her baby is an immortal child, they have an uncontrollable ability and plan to destroy the Resame and the Cullens. Cullens gather the vampire from all over the world, and now you would be waiting for the climax now? But I'm sorry, for the climax you have to read this book. This is the fantastic one and also accepted for the movie. So friends, to have the flavor of the language, I read some of the phrase part for you guys. Unity was a inconvenient but the unavoidable part of the peg life. We had all thoughts nothing of it before Le came along. Then it got awkward. La had average control when it came to her temper. It took her to the usual length of the time to stop exploiting out of her clothes every time she got pissed. We had all caught a glimpse, and it was not like she was not worth looking at. It was just that it was not through what. It when she caught thinking about it later, Judd and other were staring at the place where she disappeared into the brush with very expressions. Where is she going? Judd asked. I ignored him by closing my eyes and pulling myself together again. Now there are some phrases for Twilight Saga series and this book, like the Twilight Saga, moreover than the Harry Potter series set by USA Today, and the time set that encapsulated perfectly the teenage feeling of sexual tension and alienation. So basically, this book is all about the love between the human and a vampire. When you love the one who was killing you, it left you no option. How could you run? How could you fight? When doing so would hurt bad, your beloved ones. If your life was full of have to give, how could you not give it? If it was someone you truly love. So friends, you can understand by this word that this book is really fantastic one. So friends, this is my book review for this fantastic book, the bestseller one. And you guys keep watching our YouTube channel Book Maestro, and please like, comment, share and subscribe. Until then, happy reading.